So I just got back from IKEA. I went there to get bathroom mats and literally came back with everything but that. So I'm gonna be doing a IKEA haul and showing you guys what I got. So let's get into it. So I got 18 items for $116.79. The most expensive thing that I bought was $9. So hold on. The most expensive thing I bought was $14. So everything is under $14. I'll also put the prices of each individual item on the screen. So if you guys don't know, I just moved into this apartment about 3 weeks ago now, and I feel like every time I move, I want to get new things. I had everything that I needed, but sometimes when you get into a new space, you just want to add new things. So the first thing, I got 2 black curtain rods, and these were only $4 each. So like just the actual rod, each of these were only $4. I did not put curtains in my last 2 apartments. I've lived on the 3rd floor for the past 3 years, and I like the sunlight coming in, but I decided more so just for like the aesthetic and to go with the decor that I want to put curtains here in the living room, also in my bedroom. So I got 2 curtain rods for those 2 windows, and then I got the little brackets to hang them up. So I really just want everything to be like black, neutral, white, those types of things. So these came in packs of 1, and I got 4 of these for either side of my curtains. The only thing was they were out of stock for the end pieces, so I think I'm just gonna go on Amazon. They're only a couple of dollars just to have cute little pieces to twist onto the ends. And then I also got some curtains. So I honestly did not really know what kind of curtains I wanted to get, because I literally, and I know I'm too old for this, I literally have never bought curtains before. That sounds so bad, but I found these super cute sheer ones that were only like $6 a piece. These are not blocking out any sunlight, so these are more so just for the look of it. And again, I like the sunlight coming in, so if you like it to be like pitch black, these are not blackout curtains. They are gonna let in pretty much all the light. So I got 2 of these just in a pure white color for the living room and my bedroom. Next, in the kitchen section, I got these different jars. This one is pretty tall, so I'm probably gonna put pasta in them. And then I got 2 of these shorter ones, and they're glass. I really like glass storage. All of my Tupperware is glass. Some of my stuff in the pantry is plastic, but I really like glass because it lasts forever. It's cleaner, it's more sustainable than plastic. So I got a couple of these, and I need to reorganize my entire kitchen because it is a mess. So glass storage. And then also for the kitchen, I have never had a spice rack holder. So this is like a cute, just very simple wood beigey spice rack holder to put those on. And then also, this is in the kitchen section. Let me go ahead and open it. Let me show you guys everything first, then I'll open it. Or should I just open this now? Oh, that just dug into my nail. So I got these cute, they're white and have this like little cutout, I guess like a flower pattern. And oh, did these screw in? Oh, they do screw in. Okay, so I'm gonna have to screw these in. But basically, these are kitchen organizers, and they're just these little risers. I also got a few extra that I may use in the bathroom, but mostly for the kitchen, just to put like pots, pans, and just a little cute riser. But I do have to get a screwdriver and screw those in. And then I also got 2 of the skinnier ones. So I really do, and this will be a whole other video, I need to go through and reorganize my kitchen because it's just really kind of messy. So here are these. Actually, let me just go get a screwdriver and do this now because it's just 4 screws that I need to screw in. I also really hope this camera is in focus. I mentioned this in my last video, but for some reason this camera has not been focusing too well, so hopefully you guys can see me, and if you cannot, I apologize. So let me go ahead and get a screwdriver and just set up my risers. So while I'm putting these together, I don't know if I'm going to be able to set up these curtain rods by myself. I'm going to try. I have a drill. Oh, these are actually 6 screws. So I have a drill. It's like a really cheap drill from Walmart, but I don't know. I feel like you have to get them even, and I'd have to stand up on like something, so I may have to get help to do those, but I guess we'll see once I get there. So these are just 6 little tiny screws to go in. Scoot back. Yeah, if I can't even do this, I probably can't do the curtains. This screw keeps popping out. I'm just like, honestly, did these even need screws? I feel like they could have just made like a foldable design, and that's what I thought it was. I thought they just fold under and then pop out, but I guess. Okay, I'm gonna do the other ones after this video because it's gonna take too much time. But here's my little riser, super cute. Let me also open up this spice rack. Please tell me this doesn't have screws in it. Oh, I see holes. There's definitely some screws. Let me make sure I don't lose any of them. Okay, so this one just has 4 pieces. I like it. It's kind of just like unfinished wood. Super simple, super cute. So I will put that together in a second. And then let me show you guys these curtains. They're super sheer, but I mean, they're only $6. And if you guys know, curtains can be pretty expensive. Curtains are like rugs. Like, you never would expect them to cost that much, but they do. So for $6, like, you get $6 worth, but they're also super long. I think these are, how long are these? These are, why is it in centimeters? Inches. They're 110 inches long. So they're super long, but they're just super sheer, like lacy. I think they're really cute. It may not be everyone's style, but this essentially is what they look like. So just super sheer curtains. And then I got this cute flower vase. I love flowers. One thing that I started doing this year in 2022 is I buy myself fresh flowers. At one point I was doing it every week. I do it at least every 2 or 3 weeks, but I don't really have any cute vases. I just have like plain clear ones. So this one is super cute, and I'm probably gonna go tomorrow to the store to create a bouquet. And then the last thing I got, I guess that was all 18 items. The last thing that I got is this rug. It's this like natural woven texture for the entryway. I am a person who takes my shoes off as soon as I walk in. Me personally, I think it's kind of gross to like walk around your home with shoes on, and so I always like to have a rug at the front door just so I can kick off my shoes before I actually walk into the apartment. Rugs are really expensive. I looked on Walmart, Amazon, Wayfair, but this one is 3'11" by 5'11". It was only $14. Like, I saw some rugs for this same size that were like $60, $50, and this is exactly what I was looking for. It's so long. Let me pull out this rug. Oh my gosh, it's bigger. It's, yeah, this actually might be a little too wide for the entryway, but look how big this is, and this was only $14. I actually might go back and get another for the kitchen, but this one is perfect. I could even put this in the living room. Now I'm thinking, should I go back and get more? But that was everything that I got from IKEA. So all these things for only $116. I did not find bath mats though. That's the one thing. They didn't have the ones that I was looking for, but I'm so excited to have more organizational and just cute things to put around. I love IKEA. Like, most of the stuff in my apartment is either IKEA, Target, Walmart, a little bit from Wayfair, but IKEA is just the place to go to get very like plain, simple things that you need. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. Oh, my favorite part of going to IKEA is every time I go, I get this bag. The bag is only, I think it was like $1. It's 99 cents, and this is the third one that I have. It's always good to have tote bags, and I use this when I'm taking up groceries or just like carrying other things. So every time I go to IKEA, I do buy a new blue bag. But yeah, that is my IKEA haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will try my best to link every single product down below that I got, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!